After 5 long years, Google is back, and it's not just another smart speaker. Meet the new Google Home Speaker, a device that blends beautiful design, immersive sound, and Gemini for Home, Google's next-generation AI assistant that's about to change how we talk to technology. This isn't the Google Home you remember. The new model sports a spherical silhouette, flattened at the top and base, sleek, minimal, and made with purpose. Each unit is crafted using 39% recycled materials, wrapped in a 3D knitted yarn that minimizes fabric waste. Choose from jade, berry, porcelain, or hazel, 4 shades that bring character to any room. But this speaker isn't just about looks, it's built for sound that surrounds you. Its 360-degree acoustic design fills any space with balanced audio. Pair 2 together for true stereo output, or link it with the Google Home Streamer for cinema-grade surround sound. And yes, it still plays nice with your older home and Nest speakers. At its heart is Gemini for Home, the intelligent assistant that replaces Google Assistant. You can ask questions, stream music or podcasts, and control your entire smart home. But Gemini goes further. Conversations now feel natural. You can interrupt it, change topics, even ask follow-ups without saying, "Hey Google," over and over again. It's like talking to a friend who actually remembers what you just said. And for power users, Google is introducing the Google Home Premium subscription. The standard plan, at $10 a month, unlocks Gemini Live, smarter automation, and sound detection for smoke, CO, or glass breaking. Step up to the advanced plan, and for $40 a month, you'll get daily summaries of what happened while you were away, and even search your camera history just by asking aloud. The Google Home Speaker launches next spring for $99.99, with a 6-month free trial of the standard plan included. It'll be available across the US, Canada, the UK, Europe, Japan, Australia, and New Zealand. With a bold new design, sustainable materials, and Gemini's conversational AI, Google isn't just reviving its smart speaker line, it's reinventing what it means to live with intelligent sound. Welcome to the next chapter of smart living.